One of my favorite days, and I'm sure it's the same for you, is watch delivery day. And today is one of those days. We've just had the latest and hopefully greatest from Seagull watches come in. I'm a big fan of the brand. It's also a bit of a surprise because there's two versions of the watch, a bronze and a steel, two different dial colors, and I'm not sure which one I have, so we'll find out here soon. Just a quick unboxing and first impressions here for you today. And as usual, I'll do a follow-up video with more details on the watch once I get a little bit of time with it. So let's get to it and check it out. Okay, so let's not waste any time here and get into this right away. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of this dust. Also get rid of the foam. Oh, plastic's already kind of ripped open on the side here. Well, there's a dead giveaway. The Icon 2 numbered edition. Actually not sure how many of these are limited to, but what do we have? Do we have the bronze or do we have the steel? Inside the box, you will find your Icon 2 watch instruction manual warranty card. It says there. Oop. Warranty card and operating manual, and here is the watch. It is the bronze with green dial. Beautiful. I have to admit, I was secretly hoping for this version of the watch. Bronze and green always just kind of go so well together. Nice looking strap. Oh. And we have that beautiful Seagull movement. Nicest looking movement you can get for the price tag, I think. Very cool. Give it a little wind here and get things running. Nice winding action. Yeah, so the other option is a steel case with a blue dial. That one looks really good too, but I think this green is the one. Got matching bronze hardware there. Red accent with the chronograph hand. Let's get in for a little closer look at the dial and the movement. And how good is that? Love the look with the gold subdials. Start up the chronograph here. This is gorgeous. Love the strap. And look at that thing of beauty. Stop and reset. Just gorgeous. Gotta love a fresh bronze watch. Love seeing the patina develop, but a nice fresh bronze watch is always good. Look at that crystal too. Beautiful. Let's take a look on wrist. Yeah, this is definitely a hit. Approximately 40 millimeter case. I'll get all of the measurements to you here soon. I believe pricing is 497 euros, but I'll confirm that. And you'll be able to find the watch through the link in the description below anyway with some of those details. and pricing in your own currency. So very much looking forward to some more wrist time with the watch, and we'll come back with that follow-up video here in the next few days. Appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.